So YESFest is designed as a gathering of people from local areas and also nationally and internationally to give them the knowledge, the skills, the understanding to do something good in their part of the planet. But we want to make it fun as well, so we give it a festival vibe. So it's called YES for Youth Eco Summit and Fest with Festival Vibe.
Hello, I'm Mark Hartright, Professional Development Lead for Smart Technologies here in the UK. And this week we're so proud to be part of the YESFest and support with them with the fantastic work that they do.
So we're coming to you live from the largest rainforest in captivity.
I'm Rachel Tomlinson, I'm the head teacher of Barrowford Primary School. The smart board was fantastic this morning. It allowed us really to see inside the biomes at Eden really clearly, allowed us to really interact with the guys at Eden. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Smart's commitment to sustainability has been ingrained within our values for many, many years. Smart have led the way in producing some of the world's most efficient interactive displays. The new 65-inch GX series board uses just 79 watts of energy when in use. This is less than a household light bulb.
Right, thanks guys.
My name's Jill Taylor and I run Horace Farm CIC. The smart board helped us connect live to the Eden project this morning. You're actually seeing something that's real, and it enabled them as well to listen to and to pick up some of the enthusiasm from the guys down at Eden project. And that's the thing that will fire their imagination and fire their enthusiasm.
It was like we were actually there and someone was walking us through all these like giant rooms with all the plants. And then also we learned some pretty cool facts, like how it all started. And you could have like two people talking or showing at once, and it was really interesting.
Tomorrow morning we will be connecting live with a youth group in India, and the smart board will allow us to do that. Will allow us to do a live link to India and allow the young people in India to facilitate a poetry workshop for our children.
Smart are committed to leading the way when it comes to the impact technology has on our planet, ensuring the next generations can continue to use the amazing technology whilst looking after the planet for a sustainable future.